Imagine servicing a machine believing it's off when suddenly it powers back on. This is the reality of uncontrolled hazardous energy. That's why Lockout Tagout isn't optional, it's essential. Welcome to the Lockout, Tagout, LOTO Programs and Procedures online course by OSHA Online Center. Designed for electricians, machine operators, laborers. This training teaches you how to recognize, isolate, and control energy sources to prevent tragic accidents. This course outlines the correct procedures for disabling equipment during maintenance, protecting workers from electrocution, amputations, burns, and crushing injuries. Did you know that failure to comply with LOTO procedures is consistently among OSHA's top 10 violations? That's why every worker, regardless of their role, should understand these life-saving protocols. In just 22 minutes, this course covers everything you need to know to stay safe and compliant. Electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, chemical, and thermal systems. Step-by-step methods for using locks and tags correctly and why both matter. Learn how to confirm that energy has been properly disconnected before work begins. Understand procedures for multiple workers, shift changes, and complex equipment. Know what to do if something goes wrong fast. LOTO isn't just about compliance, it's about culture. When every team member knows how to control energy sources, everyone goes home safe. And the best part? This course is 100% online, flexible, and self-paced. Upon completion, you'll receive an OSHA-compliant certificate, proving you're trained and ready. Don't wait for an accident to learn how to prevent one. Click the link in the description and enroll in the Lockout Tagout Programs and Procedures course today.